Hi, welcome back. This is Shivakumar with you. Nifty futures levels for tomorrow, that is Tuesday, and the Bank Nifty levels also. See, first Nifty futures level support at 24,977.78. Trades below this level, then 952. Trades below 977, 952, 917, 917, 914 level. Then 24,901. This is a very crucial support, this range. If this particular range is breaking, then last support only at 24,822. Let's see on the upside. If tomorrow, that is Tuesday, trades about 25,020, this is 30 minutes chart. Then minor resistance at 25,050 and 25,077. If 25,077 above trades, a 50 minutes chart should close above this level. Then 25,121 and 25,191, 25,226 and 25,306. Up to here, it may go. Huge rally is there. If this particular range is breaking, 25,120 is breaking in a 30 minutes chart, a huge rally we can expect here up to 305. Maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Let's see. A candle should close here, a 30 minutes candle. Or a day close is required above this level. Then huge rally we can expect. Even it will not stop here. 25,305 also will not stop. The Nifty will make a new high after that. And this is what about Nifty futures. And Nifty futures, the last 1 hour, Nifty futures closed red. And open interest also increased. Some shorting has been happened in the last 1 hour. So tomorrow it may be a negative opening. Let's see what will happen tomorrow. Okay. Then what about Bank Nifty futures? Trades below. Lower side, first I will tell. We will convert this to 30 minutes. And Bank Nifty futures also in last 1 hour, open interest has been increased. And the two red candles were there. Let's see what will happen. And the trades above this 56,109 level. This level, exactly at the open price. 109. Then minor resistance we can see here. 173. 109 above a minor resistance at a 167 or 172. Then 296. Then 342. Above 56, 342, then huge rally we can expect. A 30 minutes candle should close above this level, 30 minutes or 1 hour candle. And after the retracement, a huge rally may happen in the Bank Nifty counter and it may go up to 56, 470 and 670. Breaks and close above 670, then 758, 56, 7,000 up to 57,000 and more we can expect. And this is what about Nifty futures for tomorrow or in coming days. The levels will not change, never change. And today, 23rd June, I have updated one Nifty futures and the Bank Nifty futures video. Kindly refer to that also. The same level will hold. See, this is today's level. See, A candle never closed above this level. Okay. So that's all about the Bank Nifty futures and Nifty futures. Nifty futures also closed red last 1 hour. And Bank Nifty futures also closed red in last 1 hour. But minor buying has been happened in this Bank Nifty future. Bank Nifty is more stronger than Nifty futures. And that's all in this video. Thank you very much.